Today's protein-packed, nutrient-rich salmon dinner is oh so easy and oh so delicious, and it all comes together in one pan. And I am going to show you how to put it all together coming up next. We are going to start with seasoning our fish, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of avocado oil on each side. Okay, now that is done, up next are our seasonings, which is going to be salt and pepper. Okay guys, now that the seasoning has been put on this fish, I'm going to bring all these ingredients over to the stove and we are going to put it all together. I'll see you there. Okay, to my skillet, I'm going to add just a little bit more oil, and this is olive oil. And then proceed to put in my fish. And what I did, guys, I forgot to show you on camera, is that I did cut these into smaller chunk-sized pieces. Okay, and I'm going to proceed to cook these until the color changes until about halfway up the side of this fish, and that way I will know it's time to flip. Okay, let's remove this fish from the pan, and then we're going to proceed on with cooking our veggies. If there's too much oil in the pan, remove some of it before we proceed on with cooking the veggies. Okay, to our pan, we are going to add in our onion and our garlic. Now that these onions are translucent, we're going to add our tomatoes. And to this, we're going to add some thyme. Now it's time for the lemon juice. And next is our spinach. Okay guys, let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt to this. Continue layering in this flavor. And give it a stir. All right, now for our sauce. Pour in some broth. And the last thing that we need to add to our sauce is some heavy whipping cream. Okay guys, continue to let this simmer until all of these ingredients come together, and then we're going to add the fish back in. Okay, you guys, this is ready to serve. You guys, this is another one of these recipes that is absolutely phenomenal because it, again, is nutrient rich. It is high in protein. It works for whether or not you are low carb or not following low carb. It's one pan and it is absolutely delicious, you guys. You have got to give this a try. And when you do, please leave it in the comments that you have. And again, depending upon whether or not you're low carb or not, determines what size you put with it. Rice, collard rice, mashed potato, collard mashed potatoes, a side salad if you want. You just make it your own kind of special. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And remember to give this video a like and share. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before by pressing that subscribe button. Remember, you guys, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special until we meet again. Keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys and enjoy.